ako. What do you want?
Ano yan?
Hello. I got a surprise for you.
Ano yan?
Yeah, of course I'm gonna show you. Mama Cheetos, we're back. Putol siya eh. Cheetos, oh, hawakan mo saglit. Yan na.
Ano yan?
Guess what? What's your request for me? Ano? What's the request? What is your request? Tell me.
Ouch. Ouch.
What is ouch?
Tummy.
Eh? Tummy pain daw? Ano, because maybe they give you medicine?
Mama.
They give you medicine?
Mama.
Mama daw, tummy pain.
Sa kitchen ko.
Sakit siya mo.
Sumusulo na naman. O dito kayo.
Dapat may ano ka dyan, eh.
Ga.
Papalit ko natin.
Papa naman yan. Ang dami ko pagod eh.
Bakit?
Papalit na naman ako.
Ah, hindi. Straight no. Ano to? Wala ka bang mas maano? Baby, you have ano na? Baby, we'll check. Kung binigyan tayo ng paaman. Oh, yes.
Ano ba?
Oh, hawakan mo. Nalala mo yung na-accidente ako. Ito yung dala ko. Ah, hindi tumilapon, di ba? Nalala mo yun? Hindi tumilapon.
Mamaya.
Ay, naku, yung buto talaga eh. Bago yung damit ko eh.
Hmm?
Padala na lang natin mamatsi yung may ano, may dugo para kapabat. Wala akong kapabat. Eh, tumsik nga magdamag ka. Sabi sa
Isang pili ko.
pinagdante ko. Ito kung buksan ko. Hindi ginagawa. Pag-bleeding ka. I-drain ko yung 600. Hindi anay ko may pagwas ko na.
You want to eat your ano na? Blueberry? Nag-inom siya, te? Ubos niya? Sabi na, I will use the straw. O, di ba?
Huwag ka siya ng gusto mong ubos.
Ah, talaga? Did you use the straw or not?
No, just in my milk.
Oh, really? You drank all? Good job. You got three pain?
Anong oras man lang sa na wala.
Why pati? Ang 6:55 pa lang. Wow, you got a small fan. Just shut. Tummy pain. Ano yan? Itchy, quit. Are you sleeping? Kwentuhan na lang kita. What do you want? I'm gonna sing Barney song. You like Story. Once there was a time. There was the Sumi.
No.
I want to sing.
I want a fairy tale story.
Oh. Once there was a time there was a Cinderella. You know Shrek? You know Shrek? Do you know him? And the Princess Fiona. When Shrek is running away, and then Princess Fiona.
Ano ba ma?
Kasi nabasa yung ano mo, lagyan natin ng tape. Lagyan natin ng ghost kasi
Oo, para hindi mabasa yung pink. Oo, te, kuhan ko lang. Pwede ko man na idulong anytime kung ano, dere nga sa gabi lang. Sa indamit mo.
Ano ba naman yan?
Wala yan lang para hindi mabasa yung damit mo. Yung damit mo kasi kakapit Palit lang. So, nga reklamo.
Anong reklamo? Ikaw bang may sakit? Buiset?
Sorry.
Di mo na nga ako pinapaupo sa'yo eh. Kasi palagi masakit yung siko mo. Kaya bahala ka dyan. Ihimik ka na. Huwag ka magsabi kahit
Come here, you want me to carry you? I can carry you.
kaya.
Hello, 2 million viewers. Good
Mama.
evening. Yeah, Mama is there doing something. We have so much snacks, huh? Remember, you don't forget. We have 2 boxes of chocolate muffin, and then there's blueberry cheese, blueberry cake. Wow, grabe ka ba? Ang sabi. Yes! Sana all.
Caramel popcorn pa nga ako kaya Joy.
Oh, so it's okay. It's Goldilocks popcorn. You can save it for later. You still have M&M's? Still have? Okay. Love you.
Mama Che,
Yes, baby.
kasunod french fries naman.
Okay, sure. Hindi, kain ka na. Sana lang ginagak-chak lang ng old foods. Ano gusto mo? French fries?
Ano
Yeah,
sa
sure.
susunod?
Okay, no problem. What kind of, which fries? From Jollibee, McDonald's, where?
Jollibee.
Today is Friday pala, no? Ay, naku. I love you. Are you sleepy? Ha? Ba ilang po? Tuya kasi isi. We can call them, no?
No,
No.
no, they don't wanna talk to them.
She doesn't want to talk to all of you. I'm sorry. It's because I'm here.
No, because I'm moody.
Okay. I know you're in pain. It's okay. We understand. No worries. We really understand your situations because you are in pain.
I don't wanna talk to my dad too as well because
Oh.
he's dirty.
Wait. Don't say that.
He didn't clean anything. He didn't clean her body.
Anong sumunod
He's
sa life?
coming outside every day.
Hmm?
Eh, buho ko!
Ay, sorry. Sorry, babe.
Buho ko.
I'll use the alcohol again. Kasi ilan ako eh. Is it itchy? Did you shampoo today, right? Did you enjoy the shampoo?
Ah, 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 ah.
Hold my hand.
Eh,
Baby, me, I do it for you. I scratch for you. We can help you. Pretty baby namin, oh. Nag-shampoo yan kanina. Shower. Very clean. Clean and tidy. You want to sleep? You don't want me to disturb you?
Ano ba naman yan? Basa na naman. Ano bang bagong underpants dapat pinunit mo naman eh?
No, the underpads are not wet. No, it's not wet. The underpads? No, it's not wet.
Tignan mo, dyan.
No, maybe it's just an
Is it?
alcohol. No, maybe alcohol. I just sprayed just now. Nag-spray ako eh. Sorry. gonna buy you a dime. Ay, tama ba? Mommy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. If that mockingbird will fly, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. If that diamond ring will cry, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. If that looking glass will break, I's gonna buy you a diamond ring. Tama ba? Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. Time goes on, baby and all. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. What happened?
Mimi na lang kasi.
Oh. Like this? You don't want me to sing?
No.
Why? Barney Spencer, Venus. Ganyan ka.
No.
Or Fernando and Maxta.
No. Paulit-ulit eh. Wala kasi bago. Kaya magmimi ka na lang.
Alright. Sorry. Ganyan? Okay, ganyan?
Kasi oh.
Oh.
Yung kay mama kasi.
Oh, you have a teddy bear. Who gave you that? It's very nice. The doctors?
I don't know.
Can I borrow? It's very nice. It's like,
I don't know. I don't like it.
oh, then you can, I can have it.
Ma. Mama. Sino ba nagbigay niyan? Alam mo namang ayoko ng malikabok, di ba?
Nang alin?
Na teddy bear na yan. Sino nagbigay niyan? Ayoko nga niyan. Inis eh.
Doon nakita ko
Bakit
lang.
kasi ayaw mo yan ibigay sa iba eh. Alam mo namang ayoko. Puro bigay. Ayoko naman.
Okay, okay. Relax, chill. Chill, baby.
Inis eh.
Tanggal na. Doon, oh. Sa may ano.
Inis. Inis eh. Mama, buksan mo na kasi yung laruan ko sa McDo eh. Bakit di mo pa pinubuksan?
Open the, ano, McDonald's toys. Okay. You can open. Hello. Good evening, madlang people. Lolo Kitty Philippines Mabuhay. Good evening, good evening. Now you can hold it. Wow, it's so nice. Oh, you're so lucky.
Ayan,
Dave
oh,
Aaron.
Herbalife na yan.
Na-disinfect na yan. Ang hingi tayo yan doon, baka meron sila sa McDonald's na si Ma'am MPM. Ang toys, gusto mo? Gusto mo? Wow, you're holding your toys from McDonald's. Who gave you? Nice naman yan. Who gave you the McDonald's toys?
It's, sino nga ma?
Sino bigay? Ay, wow! Thank you, Father Leo! Oh,
He
see?
come, but,
He is my classmate when I was in high school. He was my classmate, you know? Thank you, Father Leo, for visiting Jojo.
he got
Great.
me McDo, but I'm sleep at my CT scan.
Oh, you're sleeping. So you did not talk to him? You did not get a chance to talk to Father Mayor?
No.
Hi Lanlan, good evening. Shout out to 2 million viewers who are here at PJH. So those who want to donate their blood, thank you. And thank you for all the donations, the blood donations and everything. Yan yung pasyente namin. Brave and stronger.
Kung ayaw niya ako paupo sa katawan niya, di mimihin yan lang ako. Hindi yung puro siya kain. Nakakainis.
Baby, you know, your mama didn't had any lunch because you were
Buti nga yan
upstairs.
sa kanya kasi hindi niya ako yung pinapaupo sa katawan niya.
Alam mo, yung nagdinig yung drinik mo, kaya pag may umupo ka, ano yan?
Oo.
Buti nga yan sa'yo. Masakit yung siko mo. Dapat wala ka na nga palaging pagkain eh. Oh.
Very moody ikaw, baby, no? Are you happy that I'm here? Are you happy? No? Are you happy or not?
Di nga ako pagsasalita, di ba?
No need to talk na. You can, ano na lang. Hi, Ga. Yan o, parehas kayo apelido. Salvalosa. Kino. Mag-anak ni mama mo yan. Mag-ano ka muna ng Nancy, gano'n. Magbugto si, sino gano'n? Si Te Lolo nanda. Si Lolo kag si... Hindi kaya nga, si... Ang tay, ano? Sino yung tatay ng... Kapit rin kag si sino nga sa Losa. Magbugto sanda. Hindi, kaisa mo rin. Kaisa sa dati, bata, na nagkagasin doon sanda ni Nay Poret, pag sa nanay mo. Oo.
Huwag mo siyang magsalita, Tumahimik ka na. Sakit yung siko, buisit. Dapat huwag na lang siya magsalita eh. Buti, nagutom na lang siya palagi.
Ay, di wala na siya energy mag-take care sa'yo eh. Ano,
Okay lang, di naman niya ako inaano sa siko niya eh. Kaya dapat lang sa kanya yan. Lagi na masakit.
okay,
Ha?
baby.
Buhay, masakit. Magutom ka sana.
Jordan, may nurse ka. Ang pangalan ni Glenda. Basta yan.
What about you? You have a nurse? What's the name of your nurse?
You know the room.
What's her name? What's the name of your nurse? You remember?
No.
No. I love you, baby. Ang ganda naman yung toys mo.
Marami pa.
Kaya
Sinarado nila.
kami palit. Kami gano'n galit. Kaya kami kumakakakit.
nakaganyan, tapos nakadalot doon na ganyan. Para, pero, ano natin, ano nga yun.
Ayan,
Pero
oh.
hintayin muna natin yung doktor, paano gagawin.
Ayan, basa na naman.
Kaya, ano,
Kasi hindi nila pang-buksan dito. Ang kailangan ko pag-drain.
Hindi, nakadrain na kamo ko no. Sila ka ML yun, ang
Mga
drain na
20
blood.
per ano lang daw.
Okay.
Sa man yung mga vision.
Ano ba naman yan? Kakapalit ko lang eh.
Dapat kagayan mo ulit dito ng boosting lang. Yan mo lang.
Lagyan din kaya.
Oo, hindi diaper na lang. Yung tingin mo. Try natin. Hindi ka nahihilo. No, okay naman.
I cannot
feeling
hold
better.
this again. Tired holding this. Mama Che,
Yes.
I'm tired holding my toy.
Oh, you got a nice toy. They don't have this one. This kind of toy. Oh, you do like this. You open and then close. Open, close.
Siyempre dami yan sa
Ah,
sexy. Hindi ako lit sa laksan pag ako. Hindi ko magpang.
Oh, ari lang din. Wala mas lang yan.
tumahimik ka na dyan. Shit.
Okay, I'm gonna say goodbye now to our life. As you can see, she's not very well. But we have to understand why she's very bad because she's. ano. Okay, we're gonna say bye-bye. Thank you all for watching. Please pray for her. Tumatagas ang dugo.
Ay,
Ay, bakit? Ay, more. Oo. More. Lagyan mo, te. Dumadami yata eh. Okay, bye guys. Clean up kami kasi tumatagas ang dugo. Anong gagawin natin dyan? You say bye to madlang people na?
Bye.
Thank you for watching, sabi mo. Sabihan mo, thank you for all your prayers and love. Okay. Bye. Good evening. Thank you so much.